Sorry, folks. I think I got cut off. Okay, part 3 of a Sunday walk through the Brooklyn Botanic Gardens, Sunday, November 6, 2016. This is a kettle pond. The plant community you see here was inspired by those that exist in and around kettle ponds. These shallow ponds formed when the water accumulated in depressions left by blocks of glacial ice 10,000 years ago, and they are fed by ground and surface water depth. Ground and surface water. Their depth can vary greatly, and over time they may fill with silt and decaying plants and become swamps. Just a little bit more of the explanation. You can get... Okay, I hope we're getting all of this time. Sorry that it cut off before. I apologize for that. I'm just trying to give you an idea of what kind of plants and foliage are here, plus give you some aerial views. I want you to take a look at these gorgeous reds and golds of autumn. This is beautiful. I just can't say enough about it. I have no words. Or the words I have are insufficient. Okay, it's just beautiful here. I could just hang out here forever. Yeah, this is really gorgeous. Okay, let's continue. Here we go. As I move along, I'm gonna stop at the signs so you can have an idea of what grows here. Spring, summer, and fall. Obviously in New York City, in the winter, nothing is growing, everything is hibernating. For those of you who don't know, New York City is in the northeastern part of the United States, and it snows. We get some very brutal snowstorms in the wintertime. So, alrighty. Alright, just more moments of silence. We're in the Lord's Cathedral here. Okay. A garden takes time to grow, which is very true. My mother was really good at this. My mom, Mabel Palmer. Now, I was, brought up in the 1960s and 70s. So my mother, Mabel Palmer, used to order these seeds from the Burpee catalogs. And yes, she would order tulip bulbs and roses. And all I can say is my mother had a green thumb. Unfortunately, I did not inherit that green thumb. However, I can go to the Botanic Garden. Anyway, I grew up in a house, but I don't live in a house now, so I don't have any, Well, actually, I do live in a house now. I live in a brownstone, and my roommate and I have access to the backyard. For those of you who followed me on and are subscribers to either my photography blog, Roaming Urban Gypsy, or Espiritu en Fuego, I have shown pictures, well, especially